Hello, I'm Edward and welcome to windowsreport.com. In this video I will show you how to fix the 0x800704DD-0x916 install error on Windows 10. This type of error usually appears while trying to upgrade to Windows 10, and the causes can stem from user settings to problematic startup apps. So let's take a look at how to fix this issue in no time. For a more detailed explanation and even more solutions, please check the article in the description below. The first solution is switching to the administrator account. To do that, you can click the Start button in the lower left corner and then simply select the Settings button. When the Settings app opens, go to the Accounts section. Now select Family and Other Users from the menu on the left. Click Add Someone Else to this PC button in the right pane. You will be asked to enter sign-in information for the new user. Then you can choose I don't have this person's sign-in information. Now select Add a user without a Microsoft account. Enter the desired username and click Next. Then after you create a new user account, you need to convert it to the administrator account. Go back to Family and Other Users and then locate your new account and choose Change Account Type. Set account type to Administrator and then click OK. After creating a new administrator account, switch to it and try to run the setup again. Another useful solution is enabling the hidden administrator account. To do that, just click the Start button in the lower left corner and simply type CMD. Then run command prompt as administrator. When command prompt opens, just type the following command and press enter. After running this command, the hidden administrator account should be enabled and you'll be able to access it. Once you access the new administrative account, try installing Windows 10. Then, if the process is successful, you can disable the hidden administrative account by starting command prompt and running the following command by pressing enter. This method is quite effective, especially if you don't want to create a new user account, so you might want to try it out. You can also disconnect unnecessary USB devices. If you're having trouble with this type of error while trying to install Windows 10, the problem might be your USB devices. Certain USB devices, such as external hard drives, card readers and such, can sometimes interfere with Windows 10 installation. To make sure that the installation process goes smoothly, we strongly advise you to disconnect all USB devices except your keyboard and mouse and your installation media. Once you disconnect all USB devices, you shouldn't have any issues with it. And another great solution is performing a clean boot. You can do that by clicking the Start button in the lower left corner and writing msconfig. Then just click on System Configuration or press Enter. From System Configuration, navigate to the Services tab, check Hide All Microsoft Services and click Disable All. Then navigate to the Startup tab and click Open Task Manager. Right-click the first entry on the list, choose Disable from the menu. Do this for all entries on the list. Then return to System Configuration, click Apply and OK to save changes and restart your PC. For more information and details, please check the article in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.